Hey there guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to take a look at a couple of new cases from Casetify for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So big thanks to Casetify for sending these out to review. Let's go ahead and see what we got. So as you can see, we've got quite a few goodies in this box, so let's go ahead and take a look. So they did send a tempered glass screen protector. However, it looks like it's for the 13 and 13 Pro. This is not gonna fit my phone, so I can't really try that, unfortunately. But we do have a couple of other things in here. So as you can see in front of me, I do have 6 different cases that they sent me to take a look at. These are either the impact case or the ultra impact case. The difference between those two is the regular impact case offers 6.6 feet of drop protection, while the ultra impact case offers 9.8 feet of drop protection. And you can see in the corner of the case, it does have extra shock absorbing bumpers on the ultra impact case. So if you're more drop prone, you might want to check that one out. Now, one cool thing about these are made of recycled materials. So up to 65% of the case is made with recycled materials, which I really like. In addition to that, you have a bunch of different print options. So as you can see here, I have some really cool prints as well as some customized cases. And you can go on my link, casetify.com/IansTech, and you can actually check out these cases that I have in front of me, as well as some cases I previously reviewed, as well as watch bands, because not only do they have custom prints on cases, they also have custom watch bands as well, and you can also get them to match, which I really like. So again, casetify.com/IansTech, you can check those out. You can also, in addition to getting different prints, you can also customize the exterior color, and these also come with MagSafe, so you can actually use these with all your MagSafe accessories. So without further ado, let's go ahead and check these cases out. All right, so I will show you these in sets because they are similar cases. So the first set I'll show you are the Ultra Impact cases. Now, they do come in customized versions like this, as well as prints like these. And they also do come in different colors as well. So the ones I have here have only one color. They only have a clear exterior. However, again, they come in different color options, and you can get these with MagSafe compatibility. The ones I have here do not have MagSafe compatibility. Just to show you what that looks like, here is a previous version for the 12 series. However, you can see it has a print. You can't tell this has MagSafe, but if you turn it over, you'll be able to see that this one does have the MagSafe ring on the inside, while this one does not. Now, they usually do come with this, and it doesn't add any thickness to the phone, or to the case, I'm sorry, and it'll work just as intended. So if you want to see how that looks, that is how that will look. And you can also see the difference in the color. So this one has a kind of black clear, but it will have, you can still see the protection on the inside right there. And you'll have plenty of different color options with these. So you can get red, green, blue, depending on the case. It depends on the different colors that are offered on this, but you can customize these to add a little flair to it. Not just the print or the customization, you'll have that color on the exterior as well. The first one we'll take a look at is the custom case. So this one has my name on it in a blue and black strip. And you can see the lettering also has blue and black. Looks really nice. And something that is part of the Ultra Impact case is these extra bumpers, as you can see on the top and bottom corner. Now, these cases are not going to offer a bunch of flexibility, which is good. These are rigid for a reason. These are very protective cases. Now, as you can see, even the sides and the bottom is not going to have a lot of give. And that is what we want, especially for something that, you know, is going to be protective like this. It offers up to 9.9 feet of protection. So we'll go ahead and put our phone in here and take a quick look at it. There we go. Pop it into place like so. And as you can see, this one is going to offer a really nice clear view of your iPhone 13. And as you can see, I had a little fluff in there, unfortunately. But you can see we don't have that MagSafe ring, but we still have this nice custom strip right there. So as you can see, the camera ring is perfectly cut out. We do have a nice lip of protection for the camera as well. You can see, we can still see the color of our phone through the side right there. Looks really nice. You can see we also have a nice lip of protection around the front of the phone as well. We have easy access to our silent switch. Nice clicky buttons. And perfect cutouts for our lightning, speaker, and mic. Power button is also clicky as well. And so that is one right there. If you're curious of how this works with MagSafe, we'll go ahead and check it out. So, it does still work. Actually, will stay on there pretty well. However, the magnetic adhesion is not as good as it would be if it was built into the case or if it was just on the phone itself. So, you can use a MagSafe charger by your bedside, but don't put this on a mount in your car because it will not hold it. Here is a look at the next print. So as you can see, this one looks really nice. It is a matte print. And of course, I chose this camera case because this phone is basically like having a professional camera in your pocket with cinematic mode, ProRes, all those kinds of things. The new iPhone 13 series is, of course, a beast when it comes to cameras. Now, as you can see, this still has the clear sides, so you can see right through. Same features as the last case, that lift protection around the front, camera protection, easy access to our silent switch, nice clicky buttons as well. And of course, again, you can get these with different exterior colors. All right, here is our next print, and I really like this one just because it's super colorful. So as you can see, it's still matte, but it just has this really nice pop to it. I think this is an absolutely beautiful case. And again, Casetify has so many different options of different cases that you'll find something that has this kind of artistic approach to it, and it just really looks so nice. It just adds such a nice pop of color to your phone. So as you can see, we have this nice ring again. We have the same corners that offer that nice drop protection. Clear sides, again, you can get that in different colors. I can't stress that enough. There's so many different customization options that the ones I have here are not that custom, but you can get them customized. So you have this nice lip for protection around the front of the phone as well. Easy access silent switch, nice clicky buttons, and of course, perfect cutouts. So that is another one of the cases. All right, here's the last one of our Ultra Impact series. So this one is a really nice koi fish artistic one, and this one you can see actually is clear behind those. Has some nice waves and textures and stuff. Looks really, really cool. And again, this one is exactly the same as the other ones. Still has a nice camera ring. You can see it's clear on the side here. You have those extra bumpers for protection as well. Silent switch, really nice. Super clicky buttons as well. And perfect cutouts for our lightning speaker and mic. And so that is just a look at some of the Ultra Impact designs. So you can check these all out on my link at casetify.com/IansTech if you're interested in any of these. All right, the last two I'll show you are both the same as well. So these are actually just the impact case. And the difference really is just that they are missing those extra corner bumpers for added protection. So it just has a little bit less of drop protection. But either way, these cases are super protective. So the one I have here is a wave pattern, as well as another custom one with my name on it. So these are also going to have clear and white sides, but they do come in different colors, so don't worry, you can still customize that. Now, as you can see, this one is still going to be a really nice rigid case. It's not going to offer a bunch of flexibility, so you know this is going to survive a fall just fine. As you can see, the sides offer very little flexibility as well, so these are going to be super protective cases just like the Ultra Impact case. So let's go ahead and try these on. All right, so we'll try the custom one out first here. All right, so as you can see, this one is nice and clear with that custom Ian logo on there. So you can see our Sierra Blue in all of its glory. You can see we have a nice perfect cutout for our camera. Casetify branding does have a lip of protection for the camera, so you can set that down and not worry about the camera getting scratched. You can see we still have a clear view of the side of our phone, as well as this kind of interesting gummy material on the inside that goes all the way around. We also have nice silent switch access here, so that's easy to access. Nice clicky buttons as well. All right, and here's the last print. So as you can see, this one is just like a painting also. You can kind of see the canvas material, it looks like, on this one, so it looks really nice, similar to this one here. So they have a lot of artistic prints that you'll find on their website. So this is another one that I just really like. So as you can see, this is very similar to the other one. So this is going to have the same actual exterior, but again, you can get that in different colors. Nice camera cutout here, Casetify branding. You see we have clear view for our phone. You also have that nice lip of protection around the front. Silent switch, nice clicky buttons as well, and perfect cutouts. And if you want to check out the MagSafe compatibility with this one, it still works, of course, but it's not going to be as good as having it built into the case, unfortunately. So again, just don't use it on a mount, but if you have one on your bedside table, it'll still work, and you'll still be able to charge your phone. All right, so there's one more thing I forgot to show here. So they did send a lens protector for the iPhone 13 Pro and 13 Pro Max. So let's go ahead and check this out and see how well this works. So it looks like it comes with the lens protector itself. Looks like it is a whole lens protector. So as you can see, it just goes on top of your cameras, and it says show your colors. And then we have two cleansing wipes. So we have a wet wipe and a dry wipe. And then we have a little cloth with Casetify branding on it. All right, so let's start by cleaning off our lens. So we'll use the wet wipe first. Now these get really dirty. So I don't know about you, but the iPhone 12 series definitely got really dirty around the lenses. So this might be a good way to protect this and keep it clean. So I'll go ahead and go around with a wet wipe to clean this off. And then we have a little dry wipe, like so. And then we'll use our Casetify wipe to get the rest of it here. All right, once we're satisfied with how clean it is, we'll go ahead and put this on. So let's see how well this works. So it looks like it just literally goes right on top of the camera lenses like so. And then just sticks into place. So it looks like the camera still works pretty well with this on there. So let's try out our flashlight. So our flashlight works through that. As you can see, try our camera. Camera works just fine. The next test is to see how well it works with a case. So let's go ahead and use one of the cases that they sent me and see if it works all right. All right, and there you go. So it does work with a case. And that is their lens cover, so that's kind of a nifty idea. Alrighty guys, so there you have it, just a quick look at a couple of new cases from Casetify for the iPhone 13 Pro Max. So again, we have the Ultra Impact case and the Impact case. The Impact case offers 6.6 feet of drop protection, while the Ultra Impact case offers 9.8 feet of drop protection. So as you can see, those extra corners add a lot of protection for your phone. So if you happen to drop it from a couple feet, your phone will be just fine. They do come in all these different prints as well, and you can also get them customized with your name if you want. They come in different exterior colors as well, and they do have MagSafe versions also. So you have plenty of different options to get this case personalized just for you, and it'll offer amazing protection. So if you guys are interested in any of these cases, definitely check out my link, casetify.com/IansTech, and hopefully you enjoy the video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.